I'm sure you've heard the news. But did you know lightning packs a shocking secret? Gamma rays. When lightning strikes, it's not just a bright flash and a loud boom, it also releases gamma rays. These powerful bursts of energy are usually found in deep space, but right here on Earth, amazing. So, how does it happen? When lightning bolts tear through the sky, they accelerate electrons to nearly the speed of light. These speedy electrons smash into air molecules, creating gamma rays. This discovery even shocked NASA scientists. They were blown away by how much energy is packed into these lightning strikes. Imagine, gamma rays powerful enough to rival those from the far reaches of the universe. Pretty electrifying, right? So, next time you see a storm, remember there's a secret light show happening beyond what our eyes can see. Like, comment your wildest weather story and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts.